Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Citibank easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Citibank website. Log in to your Citibank account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the budgeting or finance tools section in the menu. Click on the budgeting tool to access the features. Begin by setting your income sources for the month. Input your total monthly income in the designated field. Next, categorize your expenses. Common categories include housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Estimate the amount you spend in each category. Enter these amounts into the corresponding fields. Review your total expenses to ensure they align with your monthly income. Adjust individual categories as necessary to create a balanced budget. Utilize any recommended savings strategies offered by the tool. Take advantage of alerts or notifications to stay informed about your spending. Once satisfied with your budget, save your settings. You can revisit and adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. Check back regularly to monitor your spending against your budget. Use the insights from the budgeting tool to help you stay on track financially. Ensure to review your budget monthly for updates and adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.